Hey guys, it's Francesco here, and on today's video I wanted to dive into reasons to become a patron here on the Keep Productive YouTube channel. So let's dive in. So guys, as you can imagine, this YouTube channel was started back in 2014. It was actually under my name, Francesco D'Alessio, at the time, and late in 2017 we decided it would be cool to centralize the brand and call it Keep Productive. And since then we've been growing, bringing on some amazing guests and expanding what formats of content we have, and of course that's growing and growing. Now, of course, our mission will continue to be to help you to match up with the most suitable productivity software for you, whether it's for work or life or any situation. Whether you are getting a promotion at work or whether you want to spend more time with your family, it's important that you have the right software to match your needs. We've created hundreds of tutorials here on YouTube, webinars, resources, and we've also created lots of blog posts and plenty more as well. We also have an amazing Facebook group which is 3,000 plus, and also a Notion Facebook group which is growing every single day. As you can imagine, our group has always been community focused, helping others to match up with the best resources, and honestly I can't thank that community enough. So guys, over the last couple of months I have been thinking about it, and I think a Patreon would be a great way to grow the content a bit deeper and help support the continuing efforts of this YouTube channel. So I want to take you through the 3 tiers of the Patreon. So the first tier of this Patreon campaign is a supporter, and you can become a supporter. You'll get a thank you message from me, and also you'll get the patron only feed, giving you access to exclusive content that you won't normally see in addition to this YouTube channel. Being a supporter means that you are supporting the ongoing efforts of the Keep Productive YouTube channel. So our second tier is a learner, and as a learner you'll get access to all of the Skillshare classes for free, giving yourself access to our growing list of resources over on Skillshare. You'll also have access to discounts for merchandise, as well as all of the features mentioned in the previous package. So on our third and final tier is a special one. It's the Community Plus tier. And this is the one that I think will be the most popular. So in this tier, you will get access to a weekly webinar, which will be 30 minutes long, pre-recorded, allowing you to deep dive into a certain application. You'll also get 50% off all our official courses, and all of the Skillshare classes free too. If we have any future ProdCon events as well, you'll get instant access to them. And we'll also create a community that is exclusive to yourself to ask questions and to also deep dive into certain applications. You'll also get instant email access, which I will check once a week, because as you can imagine, a lot of YouTube comments don't go answered because there are so many of them as of recently. So they're the 3 tiers. There's also a 4th tier available for brands. So if you're a brand or a founder that wants to support the Keep Productive channel, you can also check the Patreon there too. So at the moment we have a small team at Keep Productive that is developing content. For example, Alice and Kroom with the blog, and also Diana with the designs. So as you can imagine, we want to keep that going and keep that flourishing. Now we still will be running the ads and the sponsors monthly on the channel, but as you can imagine, once we grow the Patreon, we'll be considering whether to drop those. So if you would like to become a patron today, it's really a way to dig deep into certain applications, also ask me questions about an application, or get direct advice about what software is best for you to save you time and money. And the good thing is, with all of these tiers, you'll be supporting the future of Keep Productive and also supporting our ongoing efforts with general everyday resources. And at the end of each month, I will be personally reviewing each of the tiers to make sure that the content is out of standard and boosting that if it does need it. So you can find the Patreon link below, and also if you ever want to subscribe in future, it will be available in the cards. So guys, thank you so much for your support over the last couple of years. Naturally, if you aren't becoming a patron today, that's absolutely fine. You can still enjoy all of the regular stuff here on the Keep Productive YouTube channel. Nothing really changes. You'll just be going deeper into applications and resources with the Patreon support, and know that you'll be supporting the channel in future growth. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by today. I really look forward to if you guys become patrons, and I will see you guys in a future video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you very, very soon. Cheers.